So I know what you're thinking. You just got finished watching all that cool surf footage of those Yamaha boats creating that awesome surf wave, and you're probably thinking, man, I wish my Yamaha surfed like that. Well, we have good news for you. Your boat can surf like that. You just got to get the setup just right. So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to show you a Yamaha 242X, a 212X, and an AR195, basically going through the process of no equipment, aftermarket ballast, and then also aftermarket ballast plus thrust vector wake. And we hope to show you is that by choosing the proper setup, you can actually get the same results that you've just seen. So stick with us, we've got a lot to show you. some basic guidelines to help you get the best surf wave behind your Yamaha. Pick a calm day to go surfing. Slick water produces the best wave. Rough water creates a dirty wave, as you can see in this video. Even the best setup will prove to be of little help when water conditions are not favorable. Make sure you have your thrust vector wake system adjusted according to the recommended setting in our installation video. This will help you reduce spray and produce a clean wave. Dial in the correct speed for your boat. On 24-foot, 23-foot, and 21-foot Yamaha boats, 11.2 miles per hour seems to be the best speed for creating the most ideal wave with maximum length and push. For 19-foot Yamaha boats, we found that 10.5 miles per hour to be most ideal. Add a perfect pass system to your boat to lock in this ideal speed. It will make the driver's day more enjoyable, and they'll be able to focus more on their surroundings and less on managing speed. Water depth is critical for creating a powerful wave. Make sure you pick a spot where the water is at least 20 feet deep. The best waves, like the ones you've seen in this video, are found where the water is more than 20 feet deep. All right, well, that about wraps it up. We hope today that you have seen something that will help you get more out of your Yamaha jet boat and your surfing experience. Again, we've learned over the years, these boats are great. They're really a Swiss Army knife of boats. They do a lot of things really well. Maneuverability is tremendous. Being able to pick up a down rider and maneuver that stern around, no exposed propeller in the water, all those things are wonderful. But to take that to the next level and go surfing with this boat, it just really adds to the value of having a Yamaha jet boat. We're really pleased with ours. What you've seen in this video is obviously if you get the right gear, if you pick up some ballast, you pick up some thrust vector wakes, you pick up some perfect pass systems for your boat, you can take these boats out and surf really well. Wouldn't say competitively, but I would say you're going to surf recreationally extremely well. Doesn't really matter the rider's size. You can surf a little kid, or you can surf a 300-pound guy ropeless. Just got to get your setup right. So hopefully watching this video, you learn how to set your boat up. For more questions about how to set up your boat properly, if you've got a different boat than what you've seen today, feel free to reach out to us through JetBoatPilot.com. You can contact us through the forums at JetBoaters.net, on Facebook and any of the Facebook groups, the Yamaha specific Facebook groups. You can subscribe to us on Instagram or on YouTube. We appreciate if you do that. It's always helpful. Of course, you'll get new downloads and new content every time we drop something. You can also subscribe to our newsletter if you want to get email newsletters that way. Just go to our website, scroll to the bottom of the homepage, and then put in your email address. You'll be subscribed to our newsletter that way. So however you stay in contact with us, just let us know if we can answer any questions for you. We'll be glad to do so. We thank you for watching this video. Once again, we hope it was helpful to you. Have a great day.